So, as part of next evidence, I'll be explaining how these operators make big time money during the biggest announcements from central government of India. Two such big announcements in the recent times were corporate tax reduction during September 2019 and 20 lakh crore package, the Atmanirbhar package during May 2020. See, first of all, these operators or exchange will have the information that is being announced or that will be announced by the central government well in advance, like a week before, almost a week before they will be having the information, and they will plan clearly how to loot big time money from the public. See, I'll explain you the first flow. During corporate tax reduction that has happened on 20th September 2019, exactly, if you can see the graph here, three days before, from 16th September, and exactly on 15th or 16th, there was a news from the media houses that there might be reduction in the corporate tax and that announcement is expected soon. The moment the announcement has come and every trader goes through that news, everybody loads money into the markets on the long side. Exactly these 3 days, the markets continuously fell without any reason. The only reason is everybody went on long and fully loaded money in the markets on the long side, and the operators wanted to loot, and they continuously dragged down the markets these 3 days. And once the announcement is made, the markets were up overnight and the things continued. If someone has actually bought, they will book some profits, and from then onwards, as there will be no one on the long side, they will take the markets upwards like anything, as that will not cause any loss to the exchange. Look at this graph during 20 lakh crore package announcement. See, first of all, I'll explain the flow, how this loot happened. Exactly 3 days before, there were news that stimulus package is expected in next 2 or 3 days. Once this news roamed around, every trader loaded money into the markets on the long side, and therefore operators, taking this as an advantage, dragged down the markets huge. And during these 3 days until the announcement, the bank nifty corrected almost 2000 points and nifty corrected almost 600 plus points. This is first loot. On 12th May, after the market hours, once the announcement was made by the Prime Minister, overnight there was huge gap up, and the next day the markets opened huge gap up. So after as the announcement was out, every trader went on to buy, and there were fresh buyings in the market, as the 20 lakh crore package is a very huge for the India. And once everybody went on to buy, again these operators dragged down the markets to the original levels. I remember before the announcement, the Nifty was at 9,000 levels, and again after the announcement, in the next 3 days, again the operators took down the Nifty to the 9,000 levels. This is the second loot. Now the news came. The market is not satisfied with the stimulus package. Now every trader turned short. Many bought put options, some sold call options, and some short sold the futures. Once this happened, the operators took the markets at a stretch in next 2 to 3 days to 10,000 levels. This is the third loot. This is how the operators loot big time during these events. In the foreign countries, when the big events like Brexit happens, that is a big opportunity to the traders. But in India, that is a biggest opportunity to the operators. I can compare Indian markets and foreign markets with Walking Street and Wall Street.